Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the Pajero Sport with simple shapes so proportions stay correct. Draw a long rectangle for the body. This sets length and wheelbase. Once done, place a slightly smaller cab box on top at about 1/3 the body length and soften its corners so it reads like an SUV roof. Then mark wheel centers evenly, 1/6 of the body length from each end, to anchor stance and suspension. Make light strokes so you can refine later. Now refine the blocked shapes into recognizable form. Start with wheel arches and wheels, making the front wheel marginally larger to suggest perspective. This creates a believable stance. Next, carve the hood, beltline, and window openings, using long, smooth strokes to emphasize the Pajero Sport's muscular profile. Once the silhouette is clear, lay in the front grille and twin diamond motif, headlights, and mirrors. These define identity. Finish by committing to final lines and adding depth. Ink or darken the definitive edges, accentuating panel seams and wheel arches, then erase all remaining construction marks so the Pajero reads cleanly. Once lines are set, shade tires, glass, and underbody to create volume. Use crosshatch or soft gradients depending on your style. Add small highlights to headlights and chrome to sell realism. If proportions look off, remeasure wheelbase and belt line. Fixing those corrects most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.